everyone, this is my second video of my weekly report. In this video, I'm going to explain about pathos. First, I'm going to divide this video in three parts. The first one is what is pathos, the second one is how to use pathos, and the last one, examples of how we use pathos. How we can use pathos? Well, you can use pathos using a story or a personal experience. Share a real story that makes the audience feel empathy or inspire. So stories can make the people connect with your message and make the message more more memorable for the audience. Next one is to use a tone of voice that can show emotion like sadness or passion or excitement. Also, you can use your facial expressions like sadness or passion or excitement. So it helps to show how you feel about your message, and people can catch that and feel your feelings about the message that you are giving. The last one is connect with the audience with your beliefs or values, like talk about your family, about love, freedom, hope, ideas of people care deeply about. So with these points, if you follow, you can connect and make your message more emotionally for the audience. Let's to begin where you can find papers. This activity that is called La Teleton. Well, in that activity that is for charity, they use advertisements or they use pathos in the uh, television to using for the reporters to persuade people to donate more. For example, the advertisement shows a message like, if you donate, you can make a kid happy, so people feel motivated and people began to donate to that charity active. Another is motivational speeches, like when you listen motivational speeches, people could be inclined to feel ins- inspiration for the speech because they use a real a story about their lives. And the other is when you encourage someone sharing your struggles. Because as a conclusion, when you use vehicles, you make your speech more human, more powerful, because people remember how you made them feel and made this message more memorable. So see you into my next video. Thank you for paying attention, and that's all.